In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram story highlights. Let's launch the Instagram app. In the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon. In the top right corner, click on the plus icon. In the pop-up, click on Story Highlights. Here, you will see all the stories that you have posted until now.
Select your preferred stories and click on Next.
Here, you have to give a name to the highlight. Remember that there is a character limit when naming a highlight, so try to keep the name short. You can also edit the cover or thumbnail for your highlight. Click on Edit Cover. Here, you can select any one of the stories you chose for the highlight. You can also adjust the position of the image by dragging it. After you are done, click on Done, and then Done again. Here, you can see that we have successfully created a highlight with our stories. By following these steps, you can easily create an Instagram story highlight.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.